Have you ever been accused of not knowing what you actually want? Today, you are lost in books. Tomorrow, you are painting. The next day, you're holding a guitar, and right after that, you jump into yoga. To you, this is just how your mind breathes. But to the world, it looks like a threat. They look at you with strange eyes. They whisper behind your back, "She just can't stick to one thing." They make you feel like your boundless curiosity is a character flaw, sign of weakness. But they are wrong. You aren't broken. You are simply operating on a completely different frequency. In psychology, this is called having an M-type brain, where M stands for multipotentialite. It is a mind wired with multi-dimensional potential and talent. If you have this brain, you don't stay stuck on just one thing. Today, it's science. Tomorrow, it's music. The day after is history, and then cooking. You don't just dabble. You actually get good at everything you try. You are the one who asks why, how, and what is the reason behind this. You refuse to just accept what you are told. You crave hours of solitude, not because you hate people, but because your own thoughts are a playground you never want to leave. And science backs you up. Researchers at the University of Wisconsin discovered that people with these highly diverse interests possess significantly higher levels of creativity and advanced problem-solving skills. Your mind doesn't see walls, it sees connections. But having an M-type brain in a rigid world comes with a painful tax. Society has built a narrow, rigid mold for women. When you don't fit, they judge. While others gather to gossip, you are occupied with a new hobby. But the friction cuts deepest at home. It is the heavy sigh of a family member looking at your books and projects, saying, "Don't read so many books. Don't have so many hobbies. Just focus on one normal thing." It is a deeply painful pressure. They are asking you to amputate parts of your soul and give up your dreams just to make them comfortable. They say you are lost and confused. But the truth is, you know exactly what you want all of it. Yet, your diversity is not restlessness, it is boundless curiosity. Because your mind is always active, you can connect information from different fields to find unique solutions that specialists can never see. You are a natural bridge. You are highly independent, deeply honest, and fiercely strong. You don't perform for validation. You make your own decisions and live life on your own terms. This is why you are never truly bored. Once you achieve mastery in one thing, you don't stop. You lift your eyes to the next horizon. You can navigate education, science, the arts, or business with the same fluid success. You are the fresh thinking that this world desperately needs to move forward. Your M-type brain is a rare, beautiful gift. Giving it up under society's pressure would be your greatest mistake. To turn this trait into your power, you must follow 5 rules. First, accept yourself completely. You are perfect exactly as you are. Second, protect your boundaries. When they pressure you to change, refuse them clearly. Third, never stop doing the things you love, regardless of what anyone says. Fourth, manage your time effectively. Make a plan and allocate specific windows for each of your interests. And finally, connect with people who value your unique personality. If everyone walked the exact same line, how would the world ever move forward? Live your life in every single color. Take pride in your beautiful, chaotic mind.